So good morning students. Now today I am going to take the new lesson for the mathematics sequence and series. As in class 10th we have already studied the arithmetic progression. So first two exercise of NCERT textbook class 11, it is related to complete arithmetic progression, and all the formulas which we have studied in class 10 are same as it is. And second part of sequence and series is geometric progression. This is not the formula for geometric progression, just two parts we have to study, that is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. And these all formulas which I have written, 12 formulas, it is of same formula class 10th arithmetic progression. So last term it is given by L or AN or small tn or capital Tn. A is the first term, N is the number of terms, D is the common difference, second term minus first term or third term minus second term. So L equals to A plus N minus 1 into D for calculation of the nth term of the AP series. If you want to calculate the sum of n terms of the given AP series, we will apply the formula Sn equals to n by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. If you want to calculate the arithmetic mean of the two numbers, if three numbers are in AP, then the middle one will be equals to first number plus third number divided by 2, that is An equals to A plus B by 2. If we know the last term of the series and if you want to calculate the sum, then we can apply this formula Sn equals to n by 2 A plus L. The nth term from the last term of the series, if we want to calculate that term, any term from the last term of the given series, then we have to apply the formula last term minus n minus 1 into D. The nth arithmetic mean of an AP, nth arithmetic mean of an AP, n plus 1th term. If the first arithmetic mean of an AP will be our second term, always remember it. The first arithmetic mean will be the second term, second arithmetic mean will be the third term, third arithmetic mean will be the fourth term. मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि फर्स्ट अर्थमेटिक मीन अगर मैं निकालने को बोल रहा हूँ तो आप उसमें एक ऐड करेंगे 1 plus 1 2 सेकंड टर्म हो गया. अगर सेकंड अर्थमेटिक मीन बोल रहा हूँ तो 2 plus 1 3 हो गया, थर्ड टर्म हो जाएगा. इसी प्रकार से अगर nth अर्थमेटिक मीन बोला जा रहा है तो n में एक ऐड करेंगे तो n plus 1th term will be our first arithmetic mean for the AP series. The condition for the first negative term in an AP. Negative term कब आएगा? 0 से कम negative terms होते हैं. So the condition for the first negative term in an AP, we always consider the condition that the last term must be always less than 0, and the last term formula is L equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. We will apply it and we will calculate the first negative term of an AP. And the number of terms is never in the negative, neither 0 nor it will be in the fractional form. मतलब नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कभी भी आपका नेगेटिव, जीरो या फ्रैक्शन में नहीं होंगे. बाकी लास्ट टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म, कॉमन डिफरेंस, फ्रैक्शन, रेडिकल, डेसिमल, नेगेटिव कुछ भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट एपी सीरीज, फर्स्ट टर्म हमारा ए, फिर ए प्लस डी, फिर ए प्लस 2d, ए प्लस 3d, ऐसा करते हुए लास्ट टर्म हमारा ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी होगा. नाउ थ्री कॉन्सेक्यूटिव टर्म्स इन एन एपी, A minus D, A plus D. Last year also I have given the same notes. 4 consecutive terms of an AP, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, and 5 consecutive terms in AP, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 2D. Now the most important is formula. How we are going to find out the nth term of the series if the sum of n terms is given in the question. So the nth term from the given sum of n terms of an AP is calculated by nth term of an AP equal to sum of n terms of an AP minus sum of n minus 1 terms of an AP. Suppose the sum of n terms is given to you 4n minus n square. Then what will be the value of sum of n minus 1? खाली आपको n के स्थान पे n माइनस 1 रख के इस इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई कर देना है. तो ये आपका सम ऑफ n माइनस 1 टर्म्स मिल जाएगा. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, दिस वैल्यू Sn 4n स्क्वायर, 4n माइनस n स्क्वायर, और ये वाली वैल्यू यहाँ है इसको इससे सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 the whole square. After simplification, whatever you are getting in terms of a linear equation, one variable में आपको मिलेगा n की वैल्यू 1 रखिए तो फर्स्ट टर्म आ जाएगा. whichever term you want to calculate, that value of n you substitute, you will get that term. Thank you. Now let us start the exercise 9.1. There are 4 varieties of questions. Question number 1, first variety, we have to find out the first 5 terms whose nth term, last term is given by an equals to n into n plus 2. For the first term, you put n equals to 1, a1, 1 plus 2 equals to 3. For the second term, you substitute n equals to 2. 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 7. Sorry, 2 to 4, 8. Next, n equals to 3. A3, 3 plus 2, 5 into 3, 15. n equals to 4. A4, 4 into 4 plus 2, 24. Then n equals to 5. A5, 5 plus 2, 7 into 5, 35. Now here we can see these terms 3, 8, 24, 35. Difference are not same, but only we have to calculate the terms from the given last term. Whether their terms are in AP or not doesn't mean, but we have to get out the terms, first 5 terms. Okay, the first question, in the same way you have to solve question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let us come to the question number 7. The nth term is given. In the previous 6 questions, what we have to calculate? The first 5 terms. But here in front of the question last term, the mention that we have to calculate A17 means 17th term and 24th term only. So what we have to do, A17 n के स्थान पे 17 पुट करेंगे. 4 into 17 minus 3, 68 minus 3 equals to 65. A24, 4 into 24 minus 3, 96 minus 3 equals to 93. So that is your 7th question. So in the same way, you have to find out the question number 8, question number 9, you have to solve it. Now let's come to the question number 11, that is the third variety of question. Question number 11 to question number 13. Now the same process, first term is given a1 3 and the other term is given 3a to the power and 3a and minus 1. Okay, so for all n greater than 1, so n equal to 1 यहाँ नहीं लेना है, हमें greater than 1 और first 5 terms निकालना है. मतलब second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, मतलब n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we will take here for n equals to first 5 terms के लिए 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. क्योंकि यहाँ condition दिया है कि n is greater than 1. So first we are going to calculate a2. यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे n की value 2, 3a 2 minus 1 plus 2, 3a1 plus 2 और फर्स्ट टर्म हमारे पास दिया हुआ है 3, that is 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 11. In the same way a3, 3a 3 minus 1 plus 2, 3a2 plus 2 और a2 अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है 11, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 into 11 plus 2, that is 33 plus 2, 35. इसके बाद हमें कैलकुलेट करना a4, 3a 4 minus 1 plus 2, 3a 3 आ जाएगा plus 2 और 35 है a3, 3 into 35 plus 2, 105 plus 2, 107. Next a5, 3a 5 minus 1 plus 2, 3a 4 plus 1, 3 into 107 plus 1, that will be 321 plus 2, sorry, this 2 here, equals to 323. The last sixth term 3a6 minus 1 plus 2, 3a5 plus 2, that is fifth term is 323 plus 2, which is equals to 969 plus 2, 971. So that is our problem. Once again you can see the condition is given that n is greater than 1 and we have to calculate the first 5 terms. So what is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 greater than 1 से लेना है. आप इस इक्वेशन में पुट अप कीजिए n का वैल्यू 2. What we will get? 3a2 minus 1 plus 2, 3 first term plus 2, first term is 3, 3 into 3 9 plus 2 equals to 11. Third term के लिए n equal to 3, 3a 3 minus 1 plus 2, 3a2 that is second term, and second term we have calculated 11, so 3 into 11 plus 2 equals to 35. In the same way you can calculate the rest of the 3 terms, 4th, 5th and the 6th term. So these are your first 5 terms. Now next question is 14th. First term is given 1, second term is also given 1, and the nth term is given by the formula an minus 1th term plus n minus 2th term, where n is greater than 2. This series is known as the Fibonacci series. Now we have to calculate this value for n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. मतलब यहाँ पे 1 पुट करेंगे और कैलकुलेट करना है, 2 पुट करेंगे, 3, 4, 5 and we have to calculate the values of it. But before that, if I am going to substitute n equals to 1, 1 plus 1 2, a2 की वैल्यू मेरे पास है. अगर मैं 2 पुट कर रहा हूँ तो 2 plus 1 क्या हो गया 3 और a3 की वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे 2 कैलकुलेट करने के लिए a3 निकालना होगा, 3 कैलकुलेट करने के लिए a4 निकालना होगा, 4 के लिए मेरे को a5 निकालना होगा और 5th टर्म के लिए 5 पुट करूंगा तो मेरे को n plus 1 5 plus 1 a6 निकालना होगा. So with the help of this formula, first I am going to calculate a3, a4, a5 and a6. So since an is equals to an minus 1, an minus 2, so here it is given n greater than 2. तो यहाँ पे n equal to 3 के लिए मैं कैलकुलेट करूंगा a3 equals to a3 minus 1 plus a3 minus 2, a2 plus a1, और a2 मेरे पास क्या है 1 और a1 भी मेरे पास क्या है 1, so 1 plus 1 क्या हो गया 2. अब a4 कैलकुलेट करेंगे n के स्थान पे 4, तो 4 minus 1 कितना हो गया 3 और 4 minus 2 कितना हो गया 2 और a3 की वैल्यू क्या है 2 और a2 की वैल्यू क्या है अपने पास 1, so 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Next I am going to calculate a5, so 5 minus 1 4 and 5 minus 2 3. So a4 value I calculated 3 and a3 value here is 2. So 3 plus 2 5. Next a6 के लिए 6 minus 1 a5, 6 minus 2 a4 equals to 5th term I have calculated 5 and the 4th term I have calculated 3, that is equals to 8. So after calculating these all terms a3, a4, a5, a6, now I am going to calculate these values. So let us see here. For n equals to 1, an plus 1, n plus 1th term it is, n plus 1 upon nth term. तो n की वैल्यू अगर 1 ले रहे हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा a2 upon a1 और a2 की वैल्यू क्या है 1 और a1 की वैल्यू क्या है 1 upon 1 आ गया फाइनल आंसर. उसके बाद n equal to 2 के लिए a 2 plus 1 3 upon a2 और थर्ड टर्म आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड हियर 2 और a2 की वैल्यू मेरे पास कितनी है 1, तो 2 by 1 2. इसके बाद n equal to 3 जब लेंगे तो 3 plus 1 हो जाएगा 4th टर्म अपॉन थर्ड टर्म और 4th टर्म we have calculated here 3 and third term we have calculated here 2, so it is 3 by 2. एंड द फोर्थ टर्म के लिए A5/A4. For fifth term we have calculated here 5 and this will be fourth term 5 and the fourth term we have calculated here 3. So it becomes 5/3 and the last for n equals to 5 के लिए जब solve करेंगे we will get it here 5 plus 1 6 sixth term upon fifth term. Sixth term I have calculated here 8 upon fifth term I have calculated here as 5. So it is 8/5. So therefore the terms will be the first 5 terms 1, 2, 3/2, 5/3 and 8/5. That is your answer. So be careful. This is already the question number 14. First you have to calculate from this series the A3, A4, A5, A6 for n greater than 2 से start करने के लिए बोला गया है, इसलिए 3, 4, 5, 6. After calculating this, you calculate for n equal to 1, for n equal to 2, for n equal to 3, 4 and 5. That's all. Now let's move to exercise 9.2. Question number 1. We have to calculate the sum of the odd integers from 1 to 2001. मतलब 1 भी इंक्लूड करना है और 2001 भी इंक्लूड करना है. From 1 to 2001. So odd integers starting from 1, 1, 3, 5 and the last term will be 2001. So first term is 1, last term is 2001. Common difference 3 minus 1 equals to 2. We can apply the formula for calculating first the number of terms, that is n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we get the value of n equals to 1001. As we know here the last term also, so we can calculate the sum of n terms with the help of this formula. Sn equals to n by 2a plus l. Substitute the value and that will be your answer 1002001. Now it comes to the question number 3rd. Here it is the first term is given 2 and according to the question the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. मतलब T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 is equals to 1/4 of next 5 terms because 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. T1 is A, T2 is A plus D, T3 A plus 2D, मैंने लिखा नहीं है पर आएगा, T4 A plus 3D, T5 A plus 4D. 1/4 of T6 A plus 5D, T7 A plus 6D, 8 term और 9 term भी आएगा, A plus 7D and 8 plus 8D and 10 term A plus 9D. When we simplify this equation, A करके 5 बार आया, 5A और D plus 2D plus 3D plus 4D. We will get 10D. Its sum and 1/4A. This also becomes 5A, 5D, 6D, 7D, 8D, 9D. इन सभी को ऐड करेंगे 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 तो 35D मिलेगा. You can simplify this equation. You will get 3A equals to minus D. But the value of A is here 2 given. So we can substitute the value of A here. So 3 into 2 6 हो जाएगा. D की value minus 6. Now you can calculate the 20th term. You have to prove that the 20th term is minus 112. So 20th term is A plus 19D. Substitute the value of A and D. You will get the answer minus 112. Now let's come to the question number 5. The pth term, last year in class 10th we have done this question. Pth term is 1/q, so A plus P minus 1 into D equals to 1/q. Qth term is 1/P, A plus Q minus 1 into D equals to 1/P. Subtract both these equations, you will get the value of D as 1/PQ. This value of D 1/PQ you can substitute in either equation number 1 or equation number 2. So we are substituting equation number 1, A plus P minus 1 into 1/PQ equals to Q. After transposing and taking LCM, we get the final answer of this first term as 1/PQ. Now the sum of PQ terms, we have to prove it that it is equals to 1/2 PQ plus 1. So as we know that the sum of nth term is given by n/2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So sum of PQ terms in the same formula n के स्थान पे खाली PQ कर देना है. तो PQ by 2 2A plus PQ minus 1 into D. PQ by 2 2A, A की वैल्यू 1/PQ है, 2/PQ PQ minus 1 D की वैल्यू 1 by PQ है. After simplification you will get 1 by 2 of PQ plus 1. Now the seventh question में हमको kth term of the series दे दिया है, that is 5k plus 1 और हमको निकालना है sum of n terms. तो सबसे पहले तो हम k की वैल्यू 1 रखेंगे तो फर्स्ट टर्म आ जाएगा, k की वैल्यू 2 रखेंगे तो सेकंड टर्म आ जाएगा. When we are getting the second term and the first term we can calculate the common difference by second term minus first term. So first term 6, second term 11, common difference 11 minus 6, second term minus first term 6, and sum of n terms is given by the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into b. After substituting the first term and the common difference value, n के स्थान पे n ही रहेगा क्योंकि हमको क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया कि we have to calculate only the sum of n terms. So we are getting the final answer n by 2 7 plus 5n. Okay. Question number 8 of exercise 9.2. The sum of n terms is given pn plus qn square. We have to find out the common difference. And our common difference formula is second term minus first term. So we have to calculate the second term and the first term. For calculating of the second term and the first term, we have to calculate the nth term of the given Sn terms. So our formula is for that Pn will be equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So Sn is Pn plus Qn square and Sn minus 1. In place of n, we will put n minus 1 plus q into n minus 1 the whole square. Now just to simplify, pn plus qn square minus pn minus p plus qn square minus 2qn and plus q, which gives us pn plus qn square minus pn sign change plus p minus qn square plus 2qn minus q. So qn square minus qn square, pn minus plus pn cancel. We are left out with 2qn plus p minus q. This is our nth term of the given sum of n terms. Now I have to calculate the first term. So n equals to 1 लेंगे, 2q into 1 plus p minus q, that is 2q plus p minus q, which is equals to p plus q. That is our first term. Now the second term, 2q into 2 plus p minus q, 4q plus p minus q is equals to 4q minus 3q, p plus 3q. अब common difference d, we know the formula second term minus first term, p plus 3q minus p minus q. So 3q minus q will be 2q. This is our answer. Clear? So sum of n terms से हमको nth term निकालने का formula Sn minus Sn minus 1. तो Sn क्या है? Pn plus Qn square और Sn minus 1. It is not Sn minus 1. It is the sum of n minus 1 terms. So n के स्थान पे Pn minus 1 और n यहाँ पे n minus 1 the whole square रहेगा. उसके बाद simplify कर देना है. Whatever we are getting after simplification, that is 2qn plus p minus q, that is the nth term of the AP series. Substitute for n equals to 1, you will get the first term. Substitute n equals to 2, you will get the second term. And now our formula is common difference, second term minus first term. You will get this term common difference. Now 10th question, sum of pth terms is equals to sum of qth terms. Find s of p plus q. So sum of pth terms, p by 2, 2a plus p minus 1 into d. Qth term, q by 2, 2a plus q minus 1 into d. So this 2 and 2 I can cancel it out. 2ap plus p into p minus 1 into d. 2aq plus q into q minus 1 into d. So p square minus p minus q square and plus q, that will be yes plus q into d equals to 2aq minus 2ap. व्हाट आर हियर 2aq minus 2ap, ये इंटू कर दिए p स्क्वायर माइनस p, इसको इधर लेके आएंगे तो ये माइनस में होगा माइनस q स्क्वायर, और माइनस q टू माइनस में प्लस q, और d दोनों में कॉमन हो गया। अब p स्क्वायर माइनस q स्क्वायर एक तरफ रखिए और माइनस p और इस q में माइनस कॉमन लीजिए, p माइनस q इंटू डी इक्वल्स टू 2a कॉमन q माइनस p। नाउ p माइनस q इंटू p प्लस q माइनस p माइनस q इंटू d इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस कॉमन ले लीजिए, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा p माइनस q। अब p माइनस q आप कॉमन ले लीजिए तो p प्लस q माइनस 1 इंटू डी इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ 2a इंटू p माइनस q। तो ये p माइनस q और ये p माइनस q कैंसिल हो गया, यानी p प्लस q इंटू माइनस 1 इंटू डी की वैल्यू क्या हो गई माइनस 2a। ये आपका इक्वेशन नंबर 1 हो गया। अब आपको सम ऑफ p प्लस q टर्म निकालना है, तो सम ऑफ p प्लस q टर्म का फॉर्मूला होता है p प्लस q अपॉन 2 इंटू 2a प्लस p प्लस q माइनस 1 इंटू d, और जिसकी की वैल्यू आप देखेंगे p प्लस q बाई 2a, और इस पूरी p प्लस q माइनस 1 इंटू डी की वैल्यू क्या है माइनस 2a, तो यहाँ पे माइनस 2a, इस स्थान पे इक्वेशन 1 से माइनस 2a रिप्लेस कर देंगे, कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, अपना आंसर आ गया दैट इज द 0। So once again you can see sum of p term is equal to sum of q terms. So when we are simplifying p plus q minus 1 into d equals to minus 2a आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा नीचे हो गया, थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिए। सम ऑफ p plus q इक्वल टू p plus q डिवाइडेड बाय 2a plus p plus q माइनस, इसकी वैल्यू माइनस 2a आ रही है, 2a पुट कर देंगे, 2a minus 2a will be 0, so p plus q divided by 2 into 0 will be our answer, final answer will be 0. Now comes the next question. The sum of nth term and nth term, the ratio is given m square by n square. This question we have solved in last year, last time also. So m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d upon n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to m square by n square. ये डिनोमिनेटर 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक n यहाँ से और एक n यहाँ से, एक n यहाँ से और एक ये यहाँ से कैंसिल हो गया। अब हम क्या करेंगे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। When I am going to do cross multiply, let us be careful. 2an plus n into m minus 1 into d equals to, अब n के साथ 2an plus m into n minus 1 into d. Now mn minus n minus mn plus m into d equals to 2am minus 2an। जैसे यहाँ मैंने ट्रांसपोज किया था उसी प्रकार से मैंने इस क्वेश्चन में भी ट्रांसपोज किया है। 2am minus 2an और कॉमन डिफरेंस वाले टर्म एक तरफ, so mn minus n and this term is transposed towards the left, minus m into minus will become plus m, or d common, this and this cancel, so m minus n into d is equals to 2a common m minus n, so m minus n cancel, so d is equals to 2a. I got it. The common difference is twice of the first term. Now I have to calculate the ratio of the terms mth and nth. So a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. यहाँ पे d की वैल्यू क्या आई है 2a, सब्स्टिट्यूटेड m minus 1 into 2a upon a plus n minus 1 into 2a। अब इसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई करने पे a plus 2am minus 2a upon a plus 2am minus 2a. So 2am minus a and 2am minus a को कॉमन लेके आप अगर काट देते हैं तो 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. So the ratio of their mth and nth term will be 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Be careful about this line. m and m कैंसिल हो गया, न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर दोनों आगे साइड ऑफ द इक्वल साइन, इधर n और n कैंसिल हो गया एक एक, इधर डिनोमिनेटर के 2 कैंसिल हो गए और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसको n के साथ, इसको n के साथ. अब b वाले टर्म जो कॉमन डिफरेंस वाले टर्म से उसको एक तरफ करेंगे एंड विदाउट कॉमन डिफरेंस टर्म्स वी पुट इट ऑन द राइट साइड एंड व्हेन वी सिंप्लीफाई वी गेट d equals to twice of a. And now we know the formula of the nth term and unit term, that is a plus n minus 1 to d upon a plus n minus 1 to d. As we have calculated d equals to 2a, substitute the value d equals to 2a there and simplify it, you will get the answer 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. Now the question number 13. Sn 3n square plus 5n and mth term is given 164 find n. As we have calculated question number 8, same formula we will apply and first we have to calculate the nth term और फिर n के स्थान पे m पुट कर देंगे तो nth term बन जाएगा. Now Pn is equals to Sn minus 1 3n square plus 5n minus in place of n minus 1 put up करेंगे plus 5 into n minus 1. What we get 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square. Okay, and minus 6n आएगा यहाँ पे a minus b का होल स्क्वायर खुलेगा तो, लेकिन यहाँ सामने माइनस है इसलिए प्लस हो जाएगा साइन 6n. फिर माइनस 3 आएगा b स्क्वायर, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या आएगा प्लस 3 आएगा, यहाँ माइनस है तो माइनस 3 हो जाएगा. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. But a square नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, minus 2ab पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, plus b square will become negative and this will become minus 5n और minus 5 will become 5. Be careful in simplification. 3n square minus 3n square plus 5n minus 5n and the result we are getting 6n plus 2. 6 and 5 minus 3 2. That is the nth term. अब इसको mth term, what will be the nth term? If we are calculating the first term, we are putting n equals to 1. If we are calculating the second term, we are putting n equals to 2. But here we want mth term. So n के स्थान पे obviously we will put n equals to m. So what will become 6n plus 2. But the mth term is given in the question itself. That is 164. So we substitute here 164, 6m plus 2, that is 162 transpose करेंगे equals to 6m, m equals to 162 upon 6. 6 2s are 12, 42, 6 7s are 42. So the value of m is in this question is 27.